Hello students, I am Sania Sethi, your science teacher. I hope you all must have done your periodicals very well and you must have done it nicely. So now let's continue with our chapter number 5, the organ system. So the next topic that we are going to discuss today is the digestive system. Now we all eat food, human beings, animals, plants, we all need food to live. Now can you tell me, why do we need to eat food? Yes, to grow, to get energy to do different things. We all need food so that we can live. So when we eat food, do you know what happens to it inside our body? No? Okay. When we eat food, it goes inside our body and it gets digested. So today we will discuss how the food that we eat gets digested in our body. And there are some organs in our body that help us to do this thing. And first let us study the various organs that we need our food to get digested. So our digestive system is made up of mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Now students, let us take an example of an apple. Okay, suppose you are eating an apple. You don't swallow it whole. Yes, you take a bite and you chew it in your mouth. So your mouth has teeth in it that helps it to chew the apple so that you can swallow it easily in your body. So what happens, we take a bite and we chew it, and the teeth help us to chew. So the first organ is our mouth. Then what happens, when you swallow the food, it goes inside your food pipe. After going through the food pipe, it goes into your stomach, then into the small intestine, large intestine, and then what happens, the body absorbs the things that are required and then the waste material is thrown out of the body through the anus. So let's watch an interesting video to make it more clear.
Today's topic, digestion. I love apples.
Even I love apples. Do you know what happens to the food inside our body?
No.
Let's get into this boy's body with the apple and see what happens to it.
Wow, we have become so small.
We are so small that we can enter this boy's body. So, let us start from mouth.
Oh, teeth are making it in small pieces and also grinding it.
Yes, saliva gets added here to this food. Food becomes a thin paste.
Teeth, with help of saliva, make a thin paste. Which way to go now?
Now there are two ways. One goes to the food pipe and other goes to the windpipe. We are going to the food pipe. There is a valve called pharynx. This food pipe is also called esophagus.
Windpipe, food pipe, pharynx. Oh, now we are entering the stomach. Get ready, there's a lot of liquid here. Food travels from esophagus to stomach. What is this liquid?
Oh, these are gastric juices. They make the food melt.
There's a kind of liquid here.
Yes, this is also called acid.
Gastric juice.
It is small intestine.
Oh, but food is just traveling. Where would the body take nutrients from the food?
Right question at the right time. Most of digestion happens in small intestine. Most of nutrients are absorbed by body here. Now we are entering large intestine.
Is it bigger than small intestine?
No, small intestine is bigger in length, but large intestine is bigger in birds.
Oh, small intestine is narrow. That is why it is called small intestine.
Yes, here the water from the food is absorbed.
Large intestine, water is absorbed here. Oh, I want to go back. Now this is becoming very thick.
Yes, let's go back. Now it is food waste, which body does not need. It will go out of the body through anus.
So students, I hope by now you must be clear with the digestive system. Now do you know what are the functions of digestive system? Okay, so the digestive system helps us to break down the food. Like you have watched in the video also, a lot of things happen inside our body, inside our stomach. So the food is broken down into small pieces so that it can be digested nicely. So the first function is that it breaks down the food we eat. And what happens after breaking down the food? The useful things, the useful nutrients are absorbed by the body. And this process of breaking down food and absorption of all the good things is known as the process of digestion. And the other function of digestive system is that it helps us to break the food so that we get the energy to do various works. If we are not able to digest the food, we will not get the energy, we will not be able to do our daily chores, and we will grow weak. We need food to grow and to get energy to do various tasks. I hope this topic is clear to you now. So after watching the video, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button, and in the comment box, please mention your name and section. Till then, take care.